You can place your ad in the search engine result page here, and you can make $1,000 promoting an affiliate products using any platform like ClickBank. If you're an affiliate marketing beginner and you're using Google Ad, you can run any ad placing your ad here with Google even if you have a low budget. That's true. A lot of people in the lot of videos, they have showed you need a lot of budget to run Google ad or to place your ad over here. That's not the true, guys. Watching this video till the end, you will learn even if you have a low budget, you can rank on all these keywords. Here you can see one of the keyword, weight loss. People are paying somewhere between 16 cents to $2 so that they can place their ad right here in the search engine result page. And you can also do this thing with a minimum budget or paying less cost as compared to other competitor. What you have to do is just watch this video till the end. And if you're first time here, guys, do subscribe my channel called Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos on Monday and Thursday. Watch few of these videos. If this makes sense, like subscribe my channel, put the bell notification, and do not forget to smash the like button, guys. Watching this video, you will learn how to promote a ClickBank product with Google ad with a low budget, and any beginners can do this, and you can save lot of money getting into affiliate marketing courses or Google ad courses. So now the first very important thing is, guys, selecting a product from this category. So right now I have one product in my mind, that is Seracare, which is a diabetic product. So if you're running Bing ad or a Google ad, guys, these kinds of diabetic products convert very well. So here I'm not going to show you how to promote this Seracare, but I'm just selecting this product to show you as an example here. So this here you can see in the Seracare, this is a powerful blood sugar support. This is their sales page. You can read all those things over here. But if you go to their affiliate page of Seracare, here you can see they have given you all the tools to promote. Okay, pre-sale page, email swipe, banner, and the keyword also. Now I want this keyword list here. If I want to promote, look at this keyword. I also segmentize this keyword, guys, so that I can show you something very important here, okay, which will really going to lower your ad cost. And one very important thing is, guys, the search engine result page. Everybody want to place their ad here, but Google is giving only 4 places, right? Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 ads to place over here. Not because you have a lot of budget with you, you can rank over here. No, it's not work like that, guys. Like how other people are promoting that. 99% of those videos are like just, I don't know, right, who is watching and right, why the people are watching those. Okay, not just the ad cost, there are many other factor which is important to place your ad. That's what I'm going to cover in this. Trust me, this is life-changing video. Now the very first important thing is, guys, you have to understand the Google ad auction, how the Google ad auction works. So these are the 3 element, guys, which is very important. That is ad rank. Right, this is what we are talking about. The moment your target audience is typing something over here, how to make money online, you can see the 4 ad is going to display over here, right, from the advertiser. Okay, this is the ad rank which just I showed you. And then the second very important thing is, guys, bidding. Here you are seeing the Google interface. Here you set up the budget, right? Here you set up the bidding. That all I'm going to show you in a second. Okay, this is you set up the budget bidding here, right, for particular keyword. And then, guys, the most important thing is, guys, quality score. Everything rely on the quality score. So here you can see what is quality score. It is your click-through rate, the relevance of each keyword to its ad group, landing page quality and relevance, the relevance of your ad text, as well as the Google ad account performance also. Okay, but these are the 4 things, guys, which is very important that I'm going to share you here. Okay, let's assume, guys, that there are 4 marketer who is trying to bid for this keyword. Okay, this is the keyword given by the Seracare product, and we all are bidding, and we all are trying to show our ads to these keywords. So this is you, this is me, there is many other advertisers now, and you are ready to pay maximum bid $2 to show your ad on this keyword. And here I am, $4 maximum bid to show my ad here. Okay, and the advertiser 1, right, some other advertiser, right, or advertiser 2 is ready to pay $6, $8 more than us to show your ads in this particular keywords. The most important thing is, guys, your quality score. Okay, this is everything which you have to understand. This is really very important, guys. Focus here. Once you understand it, you won't Google ads or any PPC ad, right? Like your Bing ads too. Okay, so Google always give a quality score to our ads whenever we send the ad for approvals. Okay, they will give us a quality score here out of 10. Okay, and then here you can see you got 10 out of 10. That is a good quality score. I got 4 and this advertiser got 2, another advertiser got 1. The advertiser who have more quality score, guys, he will create a chance of ranking his ad in the first place of search engine result page. So now what is this quality score? Okay, quality score means, guys, it will higher the ad ranking and it will lower your cost. Now you can understand whoever is ranking in these particular keywords like this ad and all these ads, they are ranking here, guys, compared to other thousands of marketers across the globe, because, guys, their quality score is very high. Okay, that is why they are ranking here. So now what is quality score and how we can increase our quality score? So quality score is about 3 things, and that is, guys, number 1, expected click-through rates. The likelihood that your ad will be clicked. How many people clicked in your ad? That I'm going to show you in a second. Okay, ad relevance, how closely your ad matches the intent behind a user's search. If somebody is typing diabetes, your landing page, your ad should have the same products, okay, same keywords there. Okay, then only Google is going to give you the higher quality score, okay, out of 10. Then, guys, your landing page experience, how your landing page is relevant to the offer as well as the user keyword. Okay, transparency, easy to navigate, and on-site time. So now let's understand, guys, the first step is a user or the target audience is just typing in the search engine how to cure type 2 diabetes. What is the second thing happen? Right, Google is going to show some ad here. Assume this is your ad. Because your quality score is better than me, your ad is ranking here. Quality score rely on 3 very important things. The number 1 is click-through rate. So the moment Google is going to show your ad, guys, how many people are clicking in your ad? The equation is total clicks on ad divided by total impression is equal to click-through rate. Okay, the impression, how many people have seen your ad? 100 people have seen your ad. Total number of click among those 100 people multiply by 100 is equal to 50%. Your click-through rate is 50%. So how are you going to increase the click-through rate? One of the thing is, guys, using a lot of keywords in your ad text. Here you can see how to cure type 2 diabetes. I use the same keyword in ad text to create the ad relevancy. Okay, here you can see reverse diabetes, type 2 diabetes. Okay, this is one of the way. Another way is, guys, creating an ad extension. So here you can see this, guys, the moment I type like Google ads. So I'm just showing you an example here, right? Here you can see they have created this. This is an extension, guys. Okay, this is the extension you're creating here. Okay, because once if your ad will show here, guys, in any particular keyword, right, which you're trying to rank. Okay, if you create this extension, you will not allow your user to go down and check more ads. You're just stopping them in the top only. With this, you're increasing the chance of like getting click through. Okay, getting people, the audience is going to click your ad, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here. Okay, as well as the keyword is also very relevant here. Look at this, Google ads, here Google ads, right? Google ads. I'm showing you an example here. So how we create an ad extension? We create an ad extension here below of budget and bidding, right? So right now I'm not going to go like and create an extension. I'm just showing you this is how you increase, right, the click-through rate. So once if you optimize the keyword in your ad text or created an ad extension, guys, what will be the second and the third step, guys? They will go to a landing page. So now they want, guys, Google want you are optimize the same keyword. You're giving the answer what their target audience is looking, the same relevancy, same keywords in your landing page. Okay, as well as your landing page should have the transparency, more information about the product. Okay, they should not like run here and there in your landing page to find the information. Okay, on-site time, how many seconds they are spending the time in your landing page, as well as, guys, the navigation. For example, if it is your website, then you have multiple pages on that. It should be very easy for them to navigate, okay, from here and there to find the information in your landing page. So now guys, just assume somebody's typing like how to cure diabetes, and they click the first link, okay, they saw your first link, and here you can see the second one. Here you can see this guys, in this second one they have given lot of extension. Can you see this is extensions guys they have given? This is shows like this is the reason guys it is ranking, and there are many other reason also, right? Because of quality score, other ad is ranking without the extension also, okay, that's also right now you can understand with this, okay. So now if they click in this, they should go to the relevant landing page. So now this is a demo landing page, by the way, okay. So now if you can see, they type diabetes, and here you use a lot of reverse diabetes, like natural diabetes, all those keywords are there, extension is there. They made the click, they went to a landing page. There also you are seeing like blood sugar level, right, home remedies, blood sugar, right, type 2 diabetes, all these keywords, okay. Assume this is your landing page, okay. I'm just showing an example. It's a demo landing page. And then once they click here, they are also going to the offer. Here also they are seeing the same blood sugar support, diabetes. This is the relevancy guys, right? So everywhere, right, include from your ad text to the landing page to the sales page, everything should be optimized for those particular keywords, okay. This is known as guys relevance, which is under your control. So once if they come to your page, okay, assume this is a landing page, okay, you might be having a website like this. It should be very clear for them, okay. The information should be very clear for them, okay. They can easily click here and they can easily read whatever they want to read, okay. That's the transparency as well as the navigation, okay. And they will go to like if they want to see benefits, if they click here, look at this, how quickly this landing page, one page landing page, has showed them the benefits here, okay. Just very easy on the basis of guys quality score, right, click through rate, the relevance of each keyword to its ad group, landing page quality and relevance, the relevancy of your ad text. On the basis of this only guys, you're gonna get the quality score, okay. The expected click through rate, which I showed you, ad relevance, okay, and landing page experience. This is more in our control guys. Just create an amazing landing page guys, right, optimize for those keywords, and your work is done. You are going to rank your ad easily there, as well as with lower cost compared to other marketer. So now here you can see this guys, just because guys your quality score is good, Google has ranked you 20. This means guys, right, you have created all those 3 points in your landing page, in our ad copies, right, you maintain the relevancy. That is the key, by the way, okay. You got 20. Here you can see I am paying $4 guys, okay. I got 16. You know why? Because I got only 4 as a quality score out of 10. Then you can see advertiser 1 guys, he's paying 6, right, but still his ad is in the 3rd place, okay, because his quality score is right just 2, okay. That's why Google has ranked 2 here. What is the calculation of ad rank? That's very simple. Maximum bid, this is the maximum bid, in multiplied quality score, your quality score, okay. $2, you're paying $2 and your quality score is 10, your ad will be ranked in the top. So now what will be your actual CPC? Here you are bidding $2 for those keywords with the high quality score, and you got an ad rank 20. Here I am bidding for $4 and I have a less, right, quality score compared to you, and my ad rank is 16. So by seeing all these things, Google is going to use a formula that I'm going to show you in a second to calculate the actual CPC. And the formula is the ad rank of the person below you divided by your quality score plus 1 cent is equal to your price, or the CPC. So here the ad rank of the person below you is, this is me, and my ad rank is 16. Okay, divided by your quality score, and that is your quality score is 10. Okay, 16 divided by 10 plus 1 cent. Okay, 1 cent is equal to $1.61. This is what you're going to pay to show your ads, right, to Google on those keywords. Okay, in my case, right, my maximum bidding is 4. I got a quality score of 4 here, and my ad rank is 16. For me, the actual CPC is the ad rank of the person below you, okay, and below me there is an advertiser whose ad rank is 12. Okay, your quality score and my quality score is 4. Okay, 12 divided by 4 plus, right, 1 cent is equal to $3. Okay, this is the difference here you can see. So now you can understand quality score plays a big role to get this CPC. So now here the advertiser one who is paying more than us, but their quality score is very, very less. So they got the ad rank of 12. So what is the formula for them? Okay, the ad rank of the person below you, and that is 8. Okay, your quality score and my quality score here, this advertiser one quality score is 2. 8 divided by 2 plus, right, 1 cent is equal to $4. So now you can understand, guys, quality score is everything. Once again, guys, your quality score is expected click-through rate, right, ad relevancy, and landing page experience. These are the 3 things, guys, which more often you can control, and you can create an amazing Google ads, and you can get more and more conversion by ranking your ad with a lower cost as compared to, right, other advertiser. Now let's say, guys, you want to promote this product called SeraCare, okay, because they have already given you a lot of different keywords. Till this time, guys, you should know this, that you can't use all of these keywords. Now you have an idea, right? If you use all of these keywords, you know, all the YouTube video they are telling like go and select the keywords. No, guys, you can't use all those kinds of keywords. You have to use few similar keywords, and you have to structure your Google ad campaign. Now, guys, you have to understand what is the structure of Google ad campaign. Okay, because there are 3 levels here, right, that I'm going to show you here, right? The select one is the campaign level, where you set up all the campaign here, and then you have a ad group level. Okay, here you create different ad groups. Okay, and then you create finally the ad creative here. So now let's understand the structure of Google ad. So this will be your Google ad account structure. Okay, this is how the Google ad account structure looks, right? And this is how you set up your ad accounts, right, while promoting any offer. So here you can see this, each of this campaign which you're going to create. Under this you're going to see like campaign 1, campaign 2. Okay, each of these campaign, guys, have different ad groups, like ad group 1A, ad group 1B. You can create many. Okay, you can create ad group 1C or 1D. You can create, right, many of this ad group. Why there are many ad group, guys? So that you can target few similar keywords in different ad group. Okay, I'm going to show you in a second. For example, guys, look at this ad group 1A. You can use one type of keyword like diabetes, and your ad group B, you can use, right, another kind of keywords like blood sugar. And each time when you're going to target those diabetes or blood sugar, you can create many ad labels under that. Okay, right, ad A, ad B, ad C, you can create many. Okay, now let's understand more deep this one. For example, guys, each of this campaign, for example, this campaign which I took, this is the campaign, and you want to promote this product. Okay, SeraCare. You'll get like ad group 1A, you'll get ad group 1B, you can create 1C, D, and more. Each of this ad group have the keyword and ad labels. Okay, so now let's assume you are using ad group 1A with the keywords like diabetes. Okay, so you must use all the keywords in this ad group related to diabetes only. Hope you're getting the things. Okay, diabetes and treatment, diabetes association, diabetes care, diabetes care and management. One keyword, one single keyword in each of this ad group. Okay, and understanding those same keyword, guys, you have to create the ad also. Okay, the ad labels. You can create ad A, ad B, or C, 1, 2, 3. You can create many. Okay, so each of this keyword using the same keyword. Okay, here you can see the diabetes and treatment, and I created 3 ads. All these 3 ads are having the same keyword in the ad text. Okay, that's why this is what going to create the ad relevancy. Hope you can understand this one. Okay, this is how, right, you have to structure your each ad group. Okay, and now let's say you want to use ad group B. Okay, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to use different keyword. In this keyword here I can use home remedies for right, blood sugar. Okay, this will be the keyword. I'm not going to mix all of this keyword in one ad group. Okay, I'm going to use one single. This is the hack, guys. This is a strategy where you can save lot of money. Trust me. Okay, and your ad group 1B, you can use this keyword home remedies for blood sugar. So now when you create the ad for them, then you will use more this kinds of keyword in the ad. So here we are in the Google campaign level. So you can do all of this setting, right? I'm not getting into this settings right now. This all you're going to see in the upcoming videos. So right now we'll save and continue here. Now here is the place where we set up all our keywords or the ad group level. Here you can create many ad groups. So now let's assume here this is the ad group which we are creating for the keyword targeting only diabetes. Okay, this is what I was talking about. Okay, and now just click here and you can type here the diabetes. Okay, just assume this is right. Ad group name is diabetes. Okay, we're going to keep this one so that we can easily understand your diabetes. Here you can insert your URL and you can get all the keyword which is there in the URL, okay, or the landing page. For example, this is one of the way to find a lot of good keyword. Just copy this one from here. For example, if you want to know what keyword they have used more in the sales page, put that keyword over here and just say get the keyword. It will squeeze all the keyword on the landing page. Now look at this. So this is one of the way of seeing what keyword they are using in their sales page, and you can use the same keywords in your landing page. That's also one of the way of creating right quality score relevancy. That's very important. But here we are not going to do this thing here. So here is the place where we are going to insert all the keywords. Okay, so this is the very important place where you use the keyword. Now here you have an option of broad match, you have a phrase match, you have an exact match, as well as you can also use the modifier. But I want to create a dedicated video on this, because guys, quality score and ad ranking will help you to rank your ad in the search engine result page. But using the the keyword method like broad match, phrase match, modifier, or exact match will help you to present your ad in front of the right audience. That means sales conversion. That's it. Okay, so I want to create a dedicated video, so I'm not getting into this here. Okay, so now you can see I created one ad group here, and I inserted the same keywords on this ad group. Okay, and this is one of the ad group. Now if I want to create another ad group, then I'm going to click here. Okay, new ad group, and here I'm going to use another keyword, right, and that is blood sugar. Okay, and I'm going to use all the keyword related to blood sugar here. Okay, so for example, I'm just taking or blood sugar, and now all this keyword which I'm going to use here is related to blood sugar only. So like this. So here you can see this, guys, one of my ad group where I'm targeting diabetes, and I'm going to use the same keyword. Okay, so that I can have a good relevancy score. Okay, and then another ad group I have named blood sugar, and I'm going to use the same kind of a keyword. So keyword type and all, I'm going to make a video, as I said. Okay, another video. Now you can create one more ad group and you can target many other keyword which they have given here. Okay, hope you got this point. So once this is done here, guys, then the second step is to create the ad or the creative. So here we are in the ad level to create our ads. So here you can see the ad group blood sugar which we have created, and in the bottom you can see the another ad group which is diabetes. Okay, so now we have to create the ad text here, okay, which is very important and which should be relevant to the keyword which we use with your landing page or with the sales page too. Okay, that's you have to keep in mind. Okay, the headline you have to insert here, the headline 1, headline 2, headline 3, your display URL, and your description, as well as, guys, in the ad group for this diabetes, here I'm also going to make sure it should be relevant, right? I should use more these kinds of keywords in my ad, which I mentioned in the video, right, in the beginning. And remember one thing, guys, each of this ad group you can create many ad text, or that means many ad label. For example, this is one of the ad label. You can once if it is finished, you can go here and you can click here done and create another ad, okay, under this one ad group. Okay, the same thing which I was talking about here, right? This in one keyword, this is under ad group, and you can create many ad labels so that you can target different keywords of that ad group. Okay, for example, something like this. Here you can see this, guys. I have created quickly so that I can save your time. Its video is already longer. So here you can see blood sugar. All the keyword was home remedies for blood sugar and all those things. So I have wrote something like this. I put the final URL, all the landing page. Then the headline is lower your blood sugar now. Here you can see Home remedies for blood sugar, same keyword, right, which is there in the sales page or the landing page or the keywords, right, in the ad group. Cure your diabetes in the headline 3. Optimize all those things, guys, right? Do not leave any of the headline, because now you know that your quality score is in your hand. Okay, and in the display path, you can still use in the display path whatever the your URL is. Okay, here I'm just taking an example. Okay, so the URL is, you can still add those keyword here like blood sugar treatment, and in the description, guys, uncover how one man discovered the truth about lowering blood sugar instantly. Again, I use the same word. Okay, so this is how, guys, you're going to create one ad text under this ad group. If you want to create, if you want to target more keyword, go here in this, here you can say like done and create the next ad label. Okay, so that you can target in a different angle. This time you can use like home remedies to lower blood sugar instantly. Okay, something like that. Okay, so that now you can target all of those keywords which is there in the your ad group. Well, like that you can create so many ads under this. Okay, so for example, if you have using 10 keyword in your ad group, okay, then you can create at least minimum 3 ad label for that keyword, so that you can target all of those keyword, right, in the different ad label. Okay, that's how I do, right? That's up to you, right, how you want to create that thing. Okay, now in this ad group, the keyword was diabetes. Okay, so now how I created this one here, I wrote reverse the diabetes secret. Okay, doctor won't tell you, right, cure your type 2 diabetes now. Okay, and here in the display path also I use reverse diabetes cure, and here I wrote in the description, uncover how one man discovered the truth about successfully treating type 2 diabetes. Okay, in that group, ad group, I wrote lowering the blood sugar. Okay, so hope you can understand, guys. This ad is going to look like this, right? Now, reverse diabetic secret, doctor won't tell you. Okay, and here it will be lower your blood sugar now, home remedies for blood sugar. Okay, and if I want to create one more, I want to hit more keywords like type 1 diabetes, then what I have to do is like I can create one more ad like done and create ad text. Look at this one. This again, I'm going to target, this is my old which I created now, and again I can insert and I can target different keywords. Hope you're very clear right now. Each keywords, right, in ad group, you must have the one similar keyword, okay, which you're targeting with one ad group, and make sure it should be relevant in your ad label also by using the ad text. Only 2 things which you have to learn is quality score is in your hand, and this you can do by setting up the right ad and keeping everything relevant here. Okay, this is the one thing which you have to take from this video. And the second very important thing is one keyword in one ad group and target those keywords with the different ad labels. I hope you enjoy this video. Hope you learn from this video. In my part 2 video, I'm going to show you the keyword type, broad match keyword or phrase match keyword and everything. Right, if you learn and enjoy this video, smash the like button, guys, right away right now, and share this video to your loved one. And one very important thing, guys, let me know in the comment, right, how do you see this video? Leave your valuable comment. I read all the comments. Thank you. Have a good day.